How to install C8 DMV Wallet app. So just tap Get, and then you'll just be able to install it. Now live in pilot phase, California DMV mobile wallet. Californians now have a secure way to present their driver's license or identification cards using their smartphones via mobile driver's license, digital credential. California DMV Wallet gives you the control of the driver's license data you share with others. For example, when buying age-restricted items, the app can confirm you're of legal age without having to share your birth date or address. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and then you can just open it up. You can allow notifications, you can allow to log in with your Face ID if you want, and then if you want to enroll, you can just tap to enroll, and then you can just go through the process. You will be redirected through the website where you can log in or create an account. Or if you're at the DMV already, then again you will just be redirected and you still need to log in. And then you can just check your status, check your wallet, your profile, and that's what it is. So quite handy that it's available as an app.